Taking a look at Jasmy from the previous video, we can see that Jasmy is still very much stuck inside of this downtrend. So as long as Jasmy is in this downtrend, there is no reason to assume that the price is bullish. If we zoom out, we can take our fib from the high down to the low, and we can see that Jasmy is also below the 382 retracement at 17.5, and now we're actually below the 236 at 13. Now, for the sake of the cleanliness of the chart, we're going to just pull the fib up and ignore the wick on the bottom. And you can see that the chart is much more responsive at about 14. So we'll make the case that as long as Jasmy is below 14 and the downtrend, the price is considered bearish in the short term. However, getting over 14 would send you up to about 18, which is the 382 retracement. And you can see that the 382 is actually in line with all of the previous resistance that was support for the last year and a half. So in my opinion, if Jasmy is able to get over 18, that would finally confirm that the bottom is in, and a larger rally back up to the high somewhere would most likely be in play. So the two prices to watch for Jasmy to turn bullish are about 1406 and 1850 in my opinion. However, as long as we're below both of these prices and below the downtrend, there's no reason to assume that Jasmy is going any higher. And obviously, if we're not able to break the downtrend, then the price will move lower. And if and when we do get over 1854, the 618 would be next at 29, the 786 at 39, and then potentially a new high for about 7 to 10 cents. But there's no point of talking about that as of now until we get over 1854 and 1406, in my opinion.